Made a mount for the SKR 1.3 and I wanted to share it before my DIY 3D printer is done. So here you have it. The part you need is of course to print the mount, 4 M3 nuts, maybe consider using lock nuts. Then you need a bunch of M3 by 12mm screws, two 40mm fans, and a split connection to plug them into your SKR 1.3 board. First, you need to insert the M3 nuts underneath, and you can just press them in. Also, you need some screws to mount this to your printer, so use some bolts or just wood screws, like me, if you want to mount it to this kind of board or something. After that, you can mount your SKR board with 4 of the screws. You should put the stepper drivers near the mount for the fans, because that gives them more cooling. You don't need that much cooling on this side, so just go ahead and tighten this. I used 2 TMC 2209s for X and Y to make them nice and quiet, and then for C and E I just use regular A4988 drivers to save a bit on the cost. So wait until I tighten these, and then I'll be back. Now I just need to mount the fans right here, the same M3 by 12mm screws, 2 on each fan, just like that. And I just bought some cheap fans and made this little Y adapter, so you plug that into the fans, and then the SKR only has one 12-volt output, and that's the one right next to the X stepper motor connector. So plug that in with the positive closest to the edge, and then you're done. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.